Hello everyone, let's make a beautiful paper flower arrangement today. So let's start. Start by taking a square sheet of paper and fold it diagonally like this. Now fold it into half into a triangle. Press it nicely. Now open. You will get a line in between. Now fold one corner to the tip of the triangle like this. Press the side. Open it up and fold the tip to this line. Small part. Now fold one side of the triangle to the point that you have got. Like this. Press it nicely. Now fold the other side of the triangle to this line. Like this. And now fold it back to the edge. After that, fold one side to the other side properly like this. You'll get a perfect 5-petal flower like this. Turn it over and draw this kind of a shape for the petal of the flower. Now cut it safely with your scissors. Also draw a V at the bottom and cut it. It's time to reveal a beautiful flower. Open it gently. You can make more flowers like these in different colors and place them together. Now let's learn how to make a leaf. Take a rectangular sheet of green paper and fold it into half like this. Press the edge. Now draw this line from your finger to the thumb. Make it smooth. You'll get a shape like this. Now cut it using your scissors very safely. Open it and you'll get a leaf shape like this. Fold it again. Now we'll take out another leaf from this leaf only. Draw a similar shape on your leaf and cut it. When you'll open it up, you'll get a designer leaf like this. And the other one, when you open it, you'll get like this. Place the flowers and the leaves to make a nice bunch. Enjoy!